Looking to get more sales calls with CrankWheel? You're in the right place. In this quick explainer, I'll show you how this tool can help you increase sales by making your sales process smoother and more efficient. So stick with me till the end to learn a game-changing feature that could boost your results. First up, CrankWheel is all about simplifying how you connect with prospects. Imagine you're on a sales call and your potential customer asks a question about your product. Instead of fumbling around for the right visual, you can instantly share your screen with them, making the entire conversation way more engaging. No downloads, no hassle, just a seamless connection. Next thing you need to know, CrankWheel makes it super easy for your leads to see exactly what you're talking about. When you're on a call, you can simply click to show your screen, and they can view your presentation in real time without needing to sign up or install any software. This can be a huge time saver and a way to maintain interest. The fourth thing that's crucial to getting more sales calls is how CrankWheel works with your existing setup. Whether you're using a CRM or phone system, CrankWheel integrates smoothly, so you don't need to overhaul everything you already have. It plugs in directly and gets to work, letting you focus on what really matters, closing deals. But here's the real kicker, CrankWheel isn't just for sales teams. If you're in support or onboarding, it's an excellent tool to use for live demos. You can help your customers see the value of your product right there on the call without any complicated setup. And before we wrap up, there's one feature that I don't want you to miss. The ability to send a live demo link through SMS or email makes follow-up super easy. That means if you're trying to reconnect with a lead or prospect, you can give them a quick way to access your demo and keep the conversation going. One last thing, if you want to start using CrankWheel for free, make sure to check the first link in the description below. We're offering an exclusive extended trial with extra features, so you can dive right into making more sales calls without any upfront cost. CrankWheel is a game changer for anyone serious about increasing their sales calls and making the process simpler. Whether you're a small business or a growing sales team, CrankWheel can help you close deals faster and with fewer obstacles. Don't miss out on your chance to try it for free with our extended trial. Just hit the link below and get started today.